Hi, my name is Holly Reid of the Master Playbook, and welcome to our Black History Did You Know series. Today, I want to shine the spotlight on real estate genius O.W. Gurley. Yes, O.W. Gurley. He was the visionary behind Black Wall Street. He bought 40 acres of land that became most of this iconic district. And so his story is a powerful lesson in real estate. It's a powerful lesson in community investment. And so, one of the ways you can play this out with your kids and teens this week or this month is to pull out that old classic game of Monopoly. Yes, I recently played this game with my nieces and nephews, and boy, I learned a lot about what motivates them, what they were interested in. It was all about buying up all the hotels and properties. So, when we are talking about the value of investing in our communities, Monopoly can be a great example, a great game to play to just show how it can be done. So let's pass on the wisdom. Let's raise this next generation of financially savvy investors in our kids and teach them some lessons around real estate. Now, if you don't have a Monopoly game in your home, shame on you. Visit our Amazon link where we've pulled together a curated list of resources, games, and other books as we talk through our Black History series this month.